What's in there?
Sit here with it. Hey! What's that? Pull it out. Can we help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
There you go.
What's that?
Now what's your next
Give him
up?
a big hug.
It's a bear.
Ooh. Wow.
Oh,
What is that?
bear.
Yeah, it's a big bear, isn't it?
You can use it for a pillow.
Hello.
Yeah, here's a card too.
Cartoon.
That's for you. Pull it out. Grandpa help?
Here.
Yeah, we're up in the envelope. There you go. You're welcome.
Papa, you always have to read
What's that?
first.
Look at all little ponies, eh? Oh,
A boy.
yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
A pretty one, eh? A little girl one.
It's big. It's a boy. Yeah.
Yeah, and a big bear.
You want to help her with the other ones, baby? I'm videotaping it for my mom.
You open those?
Open nose. Open nose. There. Open nose. And then open nose.
Pull them out. Pull them out.
What's in there?
What's that?
Open shoes.
Oh, Abigail's shoes.
That's the shoes.
What else? That's nice. Pull them out.
No.
What's that?
What is that?
Little puppy.
That's right.
No.
The book.
The ball.
Yeah, I see the book, eh?
Oh, man. The birthday card
Yep,
first.
pull.
Oh,
Yep. There you go. You want me to open it?
yeah.
Okay. I'll open that up.
Happy
Happy birthday. Yeah.
Birthday.
That's your birthday, isn't it? You're as special as can be. What's that?
The kitty.
The kitty, yeah.
Start to straighten out
Especially
now,
to
eh?
me. Wish I could be there. Lots of love. Grandma and Jules.
Door.
Yeah. Okay.
And now
Open the present?
Let them be. Oh, no, minute.
Do you want some help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at two people
Grandma
have.
didn't tape this one all up. You gonna tear the rest?
Yeah.
Oh, go
Get
ahead.
down there and rip it.
Rip the paper off. Keep going.
He's going the wrong way.
You see what's in there? Yeah, that's paper. Inside the box. Tear it apart. Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
I don't know what it
Keep
is.
going.
What is that? Do you know?
Ah, so she didn't tape it all up. She put about 3 layers worth of wrapping paper on.
You should have seen the purelated thing. She covered the entire thing with Scotch tape.
Yeah.
Probably used up an entire roll on it.
Keep tearing.
Well, actually, I did see it. I was sitting on the table there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That present? Open over the box?
No, it was wrapped up in a perlator box.
Good job. Just keeping it all together, too.
Mommy! Oh, Dad!
Pick it up and show Mom.
Mom!
Pick it up.
What is it?
Mommy! Mommy!
Is there Smarties in there?
Keep opening.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
Need some help?
Ah. There. You want to hold this up and show Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Smarties are for you and Mason.
Mommy!
Uh-huh.
Also, minute.
No, you haven't ate your supper.
You have to eat your supper first.
What else is in the box?
What else is in here? Tara? Want me to hold that for you? So you can open the box?
Yeah.
Okay, you open that up. Tear it right apart. Ooh.
Can I help with that, Bill? Please.
You better do it, baby.
Better do it, it's your birthday. You don't sit with me.
What's that?
Baby.
Is that a baby?
Let's do
It's
It's stuck.
Alright, you did a good job. Oh! What's
I
that?
already have that.
What's that?
What's it say on it? There's words on that one.
This one says, this is for Mason.
Oh, one for you, too.
This is for Mason.
Give that to Mason.
Can you
Give
give
it
that
to
to
him.
Mason, please?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You don't have to talk like such a weirdo.
You have to eat your dinner first, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What did your baby? It's a Cabbage Patch Kid.
Baby ball.
It's got a bottle, yeah.
Hey, Abigail, can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Mama.
Good girl.
I